Hi, today I'm gonna make a video for discounts, and yes, this is for all my EBT and PEBT subscribers. Okay, like I said, people like you who are looking for extra money, right? Free money, and now I'm gonna give you a way to actually get more free money, right? I've been talking about it through all my videos. It was always in the description down below. You can check it out down below. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and look at the description because I give you many more discounts and many more ways to get free money, right? Just like this one, I talked about it many times. $40 free. Today we got $30 free, right? Have you seen how much I already made? Check out right there. I made over $900, right? Almost 1,000. I got my check back balance about $300 already. Okay, so I'm not lying. You could shop around. You could get 6% cash back, 3% cash back, and yes, how it works, you get discounts, but you also get cash back, right? And this is what I'm talking about, right? You refer and you earn $30, right? And this is what we're gonna do, and this is what I'm gonna show you. So you share the joy. $30 for them and $30 for you, right? You refer friends to Rakuten. Yes, this is called Rakuten. I have it in the link down below in the description. I have my personal referral link code, so make sure you click on it if you're gonna subscribe, if you're gonna sign up for it, right? But that's not it. So signing up is not the end of it, right? So make sure they join and spend $30. So yes, to get $30 for free, you have to spend $30. Okay. So I mean, you might say, hey, but I gotta spend instead of just earning money, so it's not free money. Well, it technically is, and technically it's a free gift. If you want to buy some sneakers, let's say this one that just came out, this is probably like probably $200 sneakers. With this app, you're probably gonna get a $30 discount, right? So you're gonna get a big time discount, right? If you want to buy, let's say a shirt or something, let's say if it's Macy's, let's say if it's Foot Locker, let's say if it's any other store, Nike.com, you want to buy a $30 shirt, you spend $30 and you get it for free, right? So this is a great way. Plus, you get discounts. Nike.com, we saw it 6%. You click on it, you probably get more than $30 of a discount, right? Depending, and sometimes it even boosts it up to 15%, which is even great, right? I made a video about it. And once you use it, you refer more people, you get your own code, and you'll be able to get $30 for yourself, right? So this is fantastic. It's great. You can't miss. If they use and they spend $30, then you'll earn $30 as well, right? So I mean, this is great. It's fantastic. You can't miss it. It's a great opportunity because you can even make it into a part-time job, right? Which is fantastic, right? So like I said, I've been referring my friends. I've been using it. This is my code. This is my link. It's right there in the description. So make sure you use it, and we'll check it out. We'll check out the video, see what we got, right? Like I said, Nike.com is 6%. If you go to anything else, Forever 21, you get 10%. If you go, let's say, 4% at Adidas, that's super awesome, right? If you go, let's say, to other places, it's millions and millions in store. Domino's, you get 6%, and many more, right? You can't miss out, right? Like I said, I use this app all the time. I get great discounts, great prices, and most of all, I like sharing it to all of you guys, right? Even for wine, if you want to use it, this is a great place to use it, right? Not only that, you can use it for eBay. You can use it for Foot Locker, eBay, Nike, Walmart, Finish Line, and even StockX, right? So, I mean, it's great. If you like sneakers, go ahead and use it. If you like anything else, go ahead and use it and you get money, right? But again, that's not it. To actually work this, hopefully you're still watching, go to account settings, and then you ask, and then how would you like to get paid, right? You can put your PayPal account. Once you put your PayPal account, you could, though the money will go directly to your PayPal account, and then you could cash it out, right? Or you could request a big fat check. What that means is you get a check the mail to your house, and then you could cash it in into paper, right? Into money, into dollars, and you put it in your pocket, right? It's the same thing, free money, and they'll send it to you in a check, right? So you choose. You can also switch to American Express membership reward points, but I mean, I'm not sure if you actually want to do that. I'd rather have money right there in my pocket, right? So make sure you update that. Once you update that, then you'll qualify, right? So first steps is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, sign up for Recruiting with my link below in the description, and then update the way you would like to get paid. PayPal big fat check. I would say big fat check if you guys don't have a PayPal. Much easier. It gets mailed to your house and you cash it out, right? And then after that, so I would rather have money, right? So I could put it in my pocket and actually spend it at stores, right? So I mean, American Express points, I wouldn't want that at all, right? You can forget about that. Request for a big fat check, get them out to your house, and then cash it out, right? So I mean, that's all you have to do. Make sure you do those steps. Make sure you actually click on the link. You can always get a browser extension. Click on the link, just like this one. It's gonna show up right there. You say you want to click on it, and there you're gonna earn cash back, right? I have $24 cash back from Nike.com, and that's awesome, right? I spent like $200 only. I get $24 of a discount plus my $30, right? So remember, you get great discounts. Use it, and then you'll be happy, right? Your whole family will be able to get free stuff. So make sure you use this app. Make sure you use it wisely, and make sure you actually follow instructions so you actually get the money back, right? So with this video, hopefully you subscribe, hit the like button, and watch all my videos because I bring you many more discounts. Okay, thanks.